Alright guys, I'm in the middle of the park, but I had to go out to do this review. So this review is about the 230 watt portable power station. Now it has a DC out input, LCD display, 12 watt output, USB-A, USB-A quick, and USB-C power button, AC outlet. Now this is the Rockman 200, and let's see on the back, also the same thing. So you could driving photography, fishing, emergency camping, outage, and this will charge everything pretty much. It will charge from a solar panel, which I have right here, and this is the reason why I'm in the park, from a carport and from an AC outlet. And it will charge all your stuff: GoPro, tablet, camera, phone, laptop, lights, TV, drone, air pump, cooler, and fan. So this is one of the things I'll focus more on this video. So let's jump into the boxes quickly. Let's check them out. So this is it right over here. Very small, portable. All the outputs are right here. You got the screen, you got the AC out. I think this picks up like that. And then yeah, and then solar panel. So output 60 watt, 18 watt, 60 pro. So this is like a folder. It unfolds like this, and you got your solar panels right over here. Now let me connect everything and I'll show you guys how everything works. Alright, so as you guys could see, I have the solar panel plugged in, and all the cables come with everything here. And then the solar panel is there, just laying, chilling, hoping to get some sun under this tree. And let's see if it does anything to the battery status. So we're at 62%. So I'll get back to you guys when we make some progress. Alright guys, so I came from the shade over here, but I think it wouldn't matter anyway. I was doing it wrong. So here's how this works. Let me quickly show you the panel again. So the cable that comes with the panel is inside, tucked away right over here. And you got a USB-C and a USB charging output also for like your tablet or anything from the solar panel. Now, unfold it. So what you have to do is you unfold it, plug in this cable to this power supply, and it goes into this one right over here to the DC in. I was putting it in a DC out accidentally, and now it's charging at 3 watts, and you could see the battery moving. So let's wait a couple minutes and see if it actually goes to 63%. Alright guys, so quick update. It is at 63%. It took about 10 minutes to get to 1%. Now the big problem is I started at 2 watts. It went to 6 watts and then back down to 3, and that's because I am in California right now, and there's a lot of smoke. You barely could even see the sun. I could literally look at the sun and it's not gonna affect me in any way. We have too many fires right now. There's too much smoke and not enough heat, so the solar panels are not really doing the job at the moment. I mean, 10 minutes is still good. So I know this goes up much higher if it would be hotter and more sun, but anyway, this does the job. It seems like I tried to charge a couple of devices. I was charging my phone. Can't show you guys because I'm using the phone to record a video, but check them out. The reason I got this is because I live in Los Angeles, and when it's very hot here, they do rolling power outages here, and I had a rolling power outage twice for 6 hours. And at 4 p.m. when they shut down your grid and you have no power, it gets hot. So this could charge your air conditioner and make your air conditioner work. If you're like me and you have rolling power outages happening, or sometimes you get a power outage, or you just need something on the go and charge your devices, check this out. Links will be down in the description for the solar panel and the power bank. I would highly recommend getting this for emergency situations as well. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Give me a like, click that little notification button for more of my videos, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.